It is a good idea. All right, there's a war going on right now to save our coral reefs, and the front line is right here in Broward County.
Yes, it is. Scientists tell us the opponent is a disease which is preying on corals already weakened and stressed from climate change. So how are they fighting back?
Well, Ari Odzer takes us to Nova Southeastern University. That's where researchers are definitely making a difference.
If you could build a Noah's Ark for corals, it would look like these holding tanks at NSU's Ocean campus. They're keeping specimens safe from a killer in the sea.
We've had a disease epidemic since 2014 that's ravished our reefs. Over 50% has been lost. This is a situation that's unprecedented here in Florida, and I would say in the world, in terms of devastation to the reef and the ability and the fear that the reefs can't come back without intervention.
Brain corals, star corals, and other species harvested from the Marquesas Islands, where the disease hasn't yet reached.
The part that drives it home the most is every single one of these used to be abundant here, and they are all not anymore. These are the high priority corals, and most of these are not in Broward County anymore.
And it's important too because these are a lot of the reef building corals. These are not the soft corals. These are the ones that when they pass away, they leave behind more reef and structure for fish and other animals to live on.
The idea is to create a coral bank of key species, and then hopefully once the disease goes away or scientists can figure out how to treat it, they can replant the corals on the reefs, similar to what they've been doing for years with staghorn coral, which is one species not affected by the disease. Keeping corals healthy in these tanks is a 24/7 job.
Temperature and nutrients and all the elements required for the corals to grow, every one of those items needs to be monitored.
So keep in mind, this effort isn't just about saving the environment, it's also about saving jobs and a big chunk of South Florida's economy.
Coral reefs are valuable ecologically for all the services they provide, but they're also valuable economically. It's been estimated over $10 billion annual income due to reefs here in the Southeast Florida. 71,000 jobs at stake.
As with so many environmental rescue projects, the work they're doing now will benefit all of us later. In Dania Beach, Ari Odzer, NBC6 News.